The tag description. Especially when working in teams, it's not often that clear while tagging what the precise definition of a tag is. The very simple way to solve this issue is, obviously, to write down this definition. There should be a centralized document or software where everyone can see the tag descriptions. In our tool Considerly, you can store this definition so it's readable later on during use. So if you want to understand the taxonomy, you can just hover over a tag and see the definition. The same is especially helpful during tagging. So you can hover over the tag and see the description to ensure you use the right tag while coding. And for sure, on the tag detail page itself, you can see and edit the description. Using this feature and a common definition helps to have a clear coding scheme and helps to avoid any wrong taggings throughout all your research and the team.